Today we are reviewing the Jordan 1 shoes by Nike, and you can see they look pretty nice. Some people call these Air Jordan 1s. Lift that up a little bit, show them the Air, okay, so you know that's the shoe we're looking at. And I just wanted to ask you a few questions since you've had these for a few months or so now. So how do you like these shoes overall?
I like them. They're pretty good.
What is your favorite thing about them?
Mostly how they look. I just like how they look, and they're pretty comfortable.
Okay, so let's just compare them to your Vans. You know, you have some Vans. What do you think about these shoes comfort-wise compared to Vans? And just be honest.
I think they're a lot more comfortable.
They're more comfortable than Vans?
Yeah.
Okay, have you ever played, for example, basketball or any other sport in these since you've had them?
Yes, I have.
And how was that for you, playing basketball in these?
It was pretty nice playing basketball in them. They have a lot of grip, and they're really nice on the court. They're just a little uncomfortable playing basketball.
Okay, so would you say, for example, your Vans are more comfortable playing basketball?
Yes, they're more comfortable.
Okay.
But these have a really nice grip, and yeah.
Can you jump better in these or your Vans?
I personally think that it's basically the same, but these make increase your jump by like an inch because they have a little air pocket in the bottom.
Okay, and so do you feel like you are able to jump a little higher in these or not?
Yes, I do.
Okay. If you were to compare these shoes to all the shoes you have based upon looks alone, what would you say?
Probably these.
Okay, and now let's just be completely honest. How about comfort compared to all your other shoes? How would you rate these?
These, definitely.
Is there any other final thoughts that you would say about these shoes as far as if somebody was thinking about getting them? Would you recommend them or would you not recommend them? Is there something you might recommend more?
I personally would recommend them.
All right, well, I appreciate you sharing this. So this was the review of the Jordan 1 by Nike, Air Jordan 1 by Nike. Hope you liked this review. If you did, please give a thumbs up, share this video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.
Don't hesitate to call me back.